Hello, today I've got the Ryobi 4-cycle weed trimmer out, and I'm going to be changing some line today. I'll show you how to do that. It's really easy to do. You don't even have to take this trimmer head off. What you do need is 95 thousandths of an inch line. Here's some Ryobi line right here, and they've packaged it, I guess, in 18-foot bundles. Because that's what they recommend, the length anyway of putting on into the head. So this is 95 thousandths of an inch here, and this is pretty good line. It's worked out pretty well for me, but today I'm going to be putting another line on here, and this is the Oregon Magnum Gator line. Here's a look at the Ryobi. And then here's the square Gator line. So I've got the trimmer head here, and I've got the bump knob here, and the bump knob has a hole through it, and the trimmer head has two eyelets here, or holes, one on each side. So what I'm trying to do is just align the hole in the bump knob with the two holes here in the head housing. And you should be able to see light through the holes once you have them lined up. Okay, so you can see they're lined up. Also, there's an arrow right here in the bump knob and in the trimmer head. Just line those arrows up as well. It's really the easiest way, I guess, to do it. So now we're ready to load the spool with the line, so let's grab that. Okay, I'm going to feed the Gator line through, and I'm just going to pull it until both ends are even at 9 foot. Okay, so the ends are even now at 9 foot, and I've got this speed winder. This came with the trimmer, and I'm going to line that up on the knob here. And we're just going to go, I'm going to feed the spool, and we're just going to go clockwise on this until we get about 6 inches on each side. And you don't have to have this speed winder. You can use your hand if you want, if you don't have it. Okay, all right, I got something snagged here. After about 5-6 rotations, then just pull the cord until it's tight, and just keep turning. Hope I'm getting this on camera. It does start to get pretty tight at the end here. All right, that's about 6. Let me show you that a little bit better here. So on this side, I'm just shy of the line cutter there. And then on the other side, looks like about an inch and a half long. So I'm just going to cut that off, and we should be good here to start doing some trimming. So I guess that'll be it for changing trimmer line on the Ryobi 4-cycle weed trimmer. Again, we use the GATORLINE square line here. It's 18 foot. Use the speed winder from Ryobi, which came in pretty handy. Really like the way they've designed it to load the line fast and easy there. And looking forward to trying out this GATORLINE and seeing how that cuts. But I guess that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and until next time, have a great day out there and take care.